like such a long time ago. I was walking on a lonely road, getting tired of dreaming alone, like all the lonely people I had known. Seems like such a long time ago. There was no one who would share my song. I was just a boy far from home. But I became a man when you came along. We spent the whole night talking. You said you'd like to see the sunrise, but in the cold of morning was nothing that I had not seen in your eyes. And I was so afraid to touch you, thought you were too young to know, so I just watched you sleeping. Then you woke and said to me, the night is cold, it frightens me, but I could sleep so easy next to you. It wasn't very long ago. You said that you would like to share my role. Then you started singing my song. You said so many nights are waiting, let's not spend a moment's wasting time, as we have very far to go. I will go if you will take me. I have never had a lover. I am young, but I am so alone. We spent the whole night talking. But in the cold of morning